Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at how we were trading ES futures this afternoon. This is our 5-minute chart. Been trading the 5-minute chart here recently. Union Renko chart still one of my favorite charts to trade. Volatility's been a little high, and those bars tend to move pretty quick. So we've been kind of shifting our focus and trading this chart a little more here recently. But we had come in, went into lunch hour, and you can see the ES was just chopping back and forth inside this channel. We put these lines on here, drew this channel line here, and then drew this one, and we're just waiting for a breakout on one side or the other. Our 30-minute chart was bullish, so really I was looking for a breakout to the upside, and for a while there it was actually looking like maybe it was going to go the other way. We had put in just a slightly lower high, had a 5-minute trend reversal breakout to the downside. You could see that we put in a pivot right there. It wasn't a lower pivot low. Previous pivot low was back here. But we did put in a pivot right there. And then we put in a lower pivot high and actually broke to the downside. And then we just kind of headed down, and then we got to this line, and you could see this was support again. 5 had crossed the 18 to the downside, again, making us think that, hey, maybe we're going to go the other way. In fact, we actually traded the trend reversal breakout, took a couple targets off on that. Again, found support right here at this bottom channel. Things turned the other direction. Real bullish bar right here. Opened at the bottom, closed at the top. Caused the 5 to cross back to the upside. Crossed the 18 back to the upside. And then we headed up here to this channel. Broke out of the channel. Had a resting order sitting right there. The top of that channel was 27.21. and 3/4, had a resting order sitting right there at 27.22. We broke out of the channel, instantly went to strong bullish on the new Trender 2.0, and then we just continued to work our way up. Our target was up there at 27.48. Didn't quite hit that. I ended up taking the runner off at 27.44, but a little more than $1,000 per contract on the channel break. And again, we had 30-minute confirmation. Our 30-minute chart had triggered a bull flag right here. This actually triggered at 27.14.5. The channel breakout took place on this bar right here. And again, nice push up. The 30-minute chart was bullish. 50s above the 200. 5 crossed the 13 to the upside. So this chart was bullish, giving us confirmation that we were good with our channel break to the upside. Right in here was that little area that started to look just a little bearish. We left this reversal doji, actually triggered it to the downside, and that's where we traded that trend reversal breakout to the downside on the 5-minute chart. But then things turned around, set up the bull flag, triggered it to the upside, and then we had the channel break on the 5-minute chart. So couple of nice trades in the afternoon, trading the ES futures.